Welcome to Armstrong Elevators. You can see how clean it is now after we must have finished evacuating the dust. You can see I'm showing you through. This is a roomless machine room elevator. There's not a machine room, and that's the reason for this fan. This blows it, it cools it. This too cools it, and this extracts the heat. The panoramic elevator, you can see. This is a glass lid, and this obstruction here is order for them not to wheel in any wheelbarrow whatsoever, because this is a mall, so that it will not break the glass. You can see the lift is working. When it's moving, the light blinks from the button, the call button from outside. You can see all through. Subsequently, we'll show you through. You can see from afar. So about to shut the panel door, as you can see. Yeah, this is Armstrong Elevator. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for any question, more information. The comments will respond to your questions, and whatever you need to get information about. You can see the lift is around. Thank you. Yes, you can see. Let me show you how it opens. Yes, it's on this floor now. You can see how it is. Thank you.